Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I set up OBS Studio the way I use it on my YouTube channel. So first thing, we have to download it. So let's open up a browser here, and we'll just go to Google, and we'll search for OBS Studio. And we should get this website, obsproject.com. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go to Windows and Download. Once it's downloaded, I can click to open the file. It's going to prompt me to make changes with my device. After I do that, this setup wizard is going to appear, and I'll click Next, Next, keep the default location the same, and click Install. Okay, it's going to give me the option to launch it. I'll click Finish and Launch. Okay, once it launches, I usually just right-click here and pin to the taskbar because I use it a fair amount. The initial setup, it says optimize for streaming, recording is secondary. I don't stream, so I'm just going to click the second one, optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. Click Next. It's going to use the current resolution and try and use 60 frames per second when possible. That's good. I'll click Next, and then I'll apply the setting. Here's some things that are new with this latest update. You may have a different update at the time that you watch this video. I'm going to click Close, and I'm just going to maximize this, and let's go through what I use. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to click here to add a source and go to Display Capture. I'll click OK. OK. And that's going to record my screen. And then a lot of times I use a webcam too. So that's, let's see, video capture device. Click OK. That gives me my screen here. It's low lighting while I'm recording this video. I'll click OK, and move this around here, and I tend to make it a little bit smaller. And there you go. That's pretty much all I do to set up OBS Studio. Pretty quick and simple. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.